Alright, this is Derrick here with a really quick video. It's been around 4,000 miles since I've had my last oil change, and just checked out my catch cans. So for my Focus ST, checking out my catch cans that I installed, the front and rear. So just for your reference, the one to the right is my front, in front of the engine, basically right by the grill of the front of the car where the hood latch is and blah 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 blah, where the headlights are. So right here is where my front oil catch can is, and that's where my rear is back there. So looking at these here, my front has much more blow by than my rear does. So look at that, it's barely anything in there. And this one's basically full. So just for reference, right around 4,000 miles, you definitely need this for your direct injection cars with the turbo. So to sum it all up, if you buy a catch can, buy the front one, and if you're going to change your oil around 4,000 miles, every 4,000 miles, and if you drive on it hard, you should probably change it out probably every 2,000 miles, or else this thing is going to get full. So there you have it, radium catch cans in general. If you're gonna buy one, buy the front one instead of the rear one, and feel free to, like, the installation is pretty shitty, but yeah, I mean, if you have the right tools and the right know-how, you should definitely get it. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.